All we did was create a platform where people could participate on a more or less level playing field, something which provided the opportunity for people to work together with some degree of fairness. And people are overwhelmingly trustworthy and good. And people see that normally you can expect someone online on our site to be trustworthy. You do always have to trust but verify. And that works out pretty well for people. I mean, our species is pretty thoroughly hardwired to be collaborative and to work together. There are some bad guys out there, but they're a very tiny portion of the population, and you do got to watch out for them. And we think there's more than they are because, like Jon Stewart says, you hear more from extremists or crooks because moderates have stuff to do. And so the deal is that we just create a nice platform where the community is largely self-policing. We do have to help out now and then. I haven't done that for a half hour now, thanks to the good Wi-Fi you have. But the idea is that actually works. Again, the hardest part is always follow through.